What if India had all of Kashmir? In this alternate reality, borders never fractured, and unity defined the subcontinent. Kashmir's story is one of beauty tangled in politics. After 1947, the land of valleys was split, resulting in decades of tension, conflict, and loss. But what if there was no line of control? Imagine a united India that seamlessly included the full region of Kashmir, Srinagar to Gilgit, Leh to Muzaffarabad. With peace, tourism would thrive. Srinagar could have become a South Asian Davos, an international hub for culture, innovation, and diplomacy. Dal Lake glistens under the sun, cradling Kashmir's floating charm, controlling key passes and access to Central Asia. India's global influence could have expanded rapidly. Defense, trade, and diplomacy all elevated. Indian army units peacefully patrolling snowy mountain passes. Kashmir's Sufi culture, its poetry, and art would have deeply shaped modern Indian identity, spiritually, artistically, and politically. Fusion scenes, dancers in Kashmiri dress performing in front of India Gate, Shankaracharya Temple and Qutub Minar blending in one frame. Today, Kashmir could have rivaled Tokyo or Zurich in prosperity. Tech hubs in Leh, a film capital in Srinagar. No conflict, only progress. Futuristic but real feeling cityscape of Srinagar, clean roads, electric trams, mountains in background, cafes filled with diverse people. It didn't happen, but maybe it still can. A peaceful, united Kashmir. Not in maps, but in minds, policies, and shared dreams. Children from across India holding hands, waving both the Indian flag and symbolic white peace flags. Subscribe to Explore with AI for more powerful alternate history stories. Let's imagine the future, together. In this imagined realm, Kashmir's lush landscape flourishes, its rivers flowing harmoniously as communities unite across cultural divides. The mesmerizing mountains stand as guardians of an enduring peace, drawing visitors from every corner of the globe to experience the warmth of its people. Imagine vibrant festivals, where music, dance, and art celebrate the rich heritage of a land once marred by strife. Markets bustling with laughter and the scent of saffron wafting through the air reflect a rebirth, redefining the essence of unity in diversity. Classrooms buzz with curiosity, where children learn not just about their own heritage, but about each other's stories, fostering empathy and collaboration in ways previously unimaginable. A new generation rises, determined to maintain the peace their parents envisioned. In this idyllic vision, environmental sustainability thrives alongside economic advancement, where green technologies seamlessly integrate into the daily lives of Kashmiris. Solar panels adorn rooftops, and electric vehicles glide through the streets, showcasing innovation that respects the land's natural beauty. Amidst this transformation, the flora and fauna of Kashmir remain untouched, drawing eco-tourists eager to experience the region's majestic wildlife. Farmers, empowered by modern techniques, cultivate organic produce, providing not only food security but also export opportunities, placing Kashmir on the global map of sustainability. With the rich tapestry of culture and progress woven together, a resilient identity emerges, allowing Kashmir to be celebrated as a beacon of hope and unity. Imagining further, the unity fosters a vibrant culinary scene, with traditional Kashmiri dishes infused with flavors from various Indian cuisines. Captivating food lovers, street vendors serve steaming bowls of Rogan Josh alongside spicy vada pav, symbolizing the harmonious blend of cultures. Food festivals emerge, attracting gourmets and curious travelers alike, creating a shared space of dialogues and discoveries. Local farmers showcase their organic produce, while chefs collaborate, extending innovative menus that pay homage to rich regional recipes. In this vision of unity and hope, the people of Kashmir stand resilient, embodying a shared dream of peace that transcends borders. Together, they inspire future generations to carry forth the values of collaboration, empathy, and mutual respect, ensuring this beautiful land thrives as a symbol of harmony for all. Don't forget to like, subscribe and join us at Explore with AI to explore more alternate realities powered by imagination and AI.